Hi guys and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to smeeze.
She gon' go on the sound of my waist off, while she gripping on my piss off.
Right guys, so the first step for the smeeze dance is the hop. Practice balancing on your stronger leg. So you pick out your stronger foot and you're hopping with that foot. And while you're hopping with that foot, you want to bend the knee slightly before the hop, just to give it that edge to jump on, like this. Bend the knee, hop, bend the knee, hop, bend the knee, hop. So the next step now guys is to bring the other foot into the move. Now with the other foot, you're going to tap the ground like this, as if it's like a spring. This leg is like a spring, you know? It's like a spring. So just practice tapping the foot. Very simple guys, just tap, 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 tap. You don't have to tap the ground too hard, just a little light tap. And guys, step 3 is to combine the first 2 steps together. So while you're bending the stronger knee and hopping guys, what you want to do is, you want to get that tap in as well. So I'm going to break it down very slowly for you guys. It's tap, bend the knee, and jump. Tap, bend the knee, jump. But you're doing it very quick, you're doing it a lot quicker. Now you want to quicken that up. So after you've got the tap, bend the knee, jump, you want to combine them and sync them together. So now I'm going to do it quicker for you guys. Tap, bend the knee, jump. Tap, bend the knee, jump. Make sure you get a nice bend on the stronger knee. The more you bend on this knee, the higher you're going to jump. So guys, the tap is to build the momentum for the other leg to hop. When you get that tap in, it kind of builds the momentum for the other leg to hop. You know? So guys, make sure you get a lot of practice in, because it takes a while to get this move. Keep practicing the tap on the weaker foot and the hop on the stronger foot. Combine both of them together. Yeah? Guys, once you got the hang of the move, to switch positions. So you want to tap, bend the knee, jump, and switch to the other direction. Use the jump to switch the other way. Now you switch both feet and you go back to the opposite direction. So guys, when you're able to switch both directions, now what you want to do is sort of just spin with the jump. And you guys, you don't have to switch positions so quickly, you know, you can do maybe 2 or 3 in one direction, and then 2 and 3 in the other direction, like this. And you can also put in some hand movements, guys. Do whatever you want with your hands, you know. You can go like this, or you can go like this. You can also point in the direction you're jumping. Yeah. Now let's put on some music, guys, and I'm gonna go hard with it. Let's go.
I told them to Smeeze, I told them to Smeeze. All of my niggas as lit as can be. Make all the bad bitches go get on their knees. I told them to Smeeze, I told them to Smeeze. Told them to Smeeze, I told them to Smeeze. All of my niggas as lit as can be. Make all the bad bitches go get on their knees. I told them to Smeeze, I told them to Smeeze. Yeah.
So that's how you do the smeeze, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And let me know if you get the hang of the dance. Peace out.